Hello, dear friends. So, today I'm back with another real world network troubleshooting project. And in this, we are going to study OSI, TCP, and IP layers. And we will troubleshoot and check the connection of a website www.ayushisingh.com. That is my personal website, and I have hosted it on Hostinger, so it is up and running. But this project is just to make you understand how we troubleshoot each and every layer of the networking layer. So in OSI, as you know, there are 7 layers, right? So on my left screen, you will see the content of the project, how we are going to do and what we are going to do. On the right side, this is the my terminal screen. This is the name of my system. I keep on changing, so it doesn't matter. It is nothing personal. So uh, I will start with troubleshooting the first step, that is the physical layer. But before that, I have written some context here. Fixing website connectivity issues for this website. The situation is, this is my portfolio website. Feel free to check and share your comments. And the problem is, users reported intermittent website loading failure and slow response times. Uh, my role is to troubleshoot and resolve the issue layer by layer using OSI and TCP IP models. Okay, so let's start with the first command. I will be slow because I will be checking the background. I have opened ChatGPT on my another screen, so that if in case I'm not able to explain a terminology, I'll give explain it to you with an example. Okay, so starting with the first physical layer, and it is saying, are the network interfaces physically connected and up? So wanted to make sure that everything is connected, everything is reachable. My system is in the Wi-Fi of my home network, and everything is in flow. So to check that, what we do is we use the bash command, and we use IP link show. All right, so this, you can see, it is showing all the options as up, which means that it is physically connected and everything is running, so there's no problem here. Now I want to let you know that if you will run this IP link show, it might not run on your Mac because there is a package you have to install using bash, and of course using brew, I'm sorry, the package installer. So I have done this in past. Let me see if I can grab the code real quick. Okay, I did it recently. Yes, so if you can see, I install using brew install IP route to Mac. So when you will install this, it is going to execute IP link show. So make sure you do that in your Mac. There is a different set of commands you can find on ChatGPT for Windows, or you can of course search on Stack Overflow. Going ahead, we have another step. So the first check is passed, and now, yeah, so this is what is expected. I have also written the expected output. If down, we have to check the cable or virtual adapter for settings. Now the action taken here is confirmed all physical interfaces with you up and running, no cable or an IC failure. So NIC is the network interface card, which means my all my interface cards are working properly. It's good to go. Now let's go to the layer 2, that is data link and MAC ARP. The question is the local LAN network working and all the devices are discoverable? If yes, then we have to check that using ARP/A. Yes, it is working because this is my personal IP address, my personal uh, device IP address. I'm sure you might be knowing this, and it is getting connected and it is working fine totally. So this is the expected output. It is connected on Ethernet everywhere, right? So it is working. Ping if any entry is missing. So let's ping any entry. If it is missing, it is not missing, then it's working fine. This IP address you can see on my screen is of the personal system. So okay, just give me a moment. I'm just checking one thing in the back end. Just in case you want to check your personal device IP, then it is IBA or maybe ipconfig. All right, it is not working somehow. I'll check and I'll get back to you on this. All right, so I'm sorry for that. Okay, so moving ahead, we check the ARP table, verified MAC entries for the router and devices, no spoofing or errors found. Now, the third layer is the network, the network layer, that is IP routing package flow. And the question is routing table, the IP routing table stable or any packet loss. So as we checked, IPA, it is showing all the packet, there is no packet loss, we can see. Uh, and we can ping the gateway, then ping the external IP, that is Google DNS, and we can find this. It is going to keep on pinging. That is not a problem. Now if we have to trace the route, then we can use the command trace route ayushsing.com, and it is working perfectly fine, right? If you can see, it is tracing the route. It is hopping from this server to another server, and it is totally fine. Gateway ping worked. Ping, now these are the things that you need to check on the back end. It is all right. So this is a sample here that I have added. You will see it's not working, but here everything is working. It is looking good. So we are not considering any errors here till now. Now we will go to layer 4, that is a transport layer, and we'll check this ports, right? Is the port 80 and 44 working? So if you remember, port 80 and port 443 is for HTTP and HTTPS respectively. Okay, so all right, so we need to check if it is working. For that, if these ports are open, so we will be doing nc. Yes, it is connected, and if you can see, let's check for 443. It is working as well. That's a good news, right? Everything is good, everything is connected, working very well. Now we have to check the DNS with UDP. We have to, all right, so we have checked. So this is the website. We have digged in the information, and we can see all the commands here. It is working very well. All the information, the query time, the server, when when was it executed, and message size received. So you can see the DNS is also working very well. DNS resolution was fine, and no firewall or proxy issue was blocking this, right? So moving ahead, let's go to the last layer, the application layer, which will be the combination of session, presentation, and application here. So we will check if everything is working on this end as well. So for Mac, it will be netstat 80. All right. All right. So everything is working, it's listening, it's established, right? So perfect. So what we can observe is this website is working fine. It's listening to all the echoes, all the pings that is being sent, and it is in the network. No physical error, hardware issues, or network level issues, or application level issues, right? So it seems that the website is working up perfectly fine, and SSL handshake check is also done. HTTP response is also working very well, and of course, no action need to be taken here, right? So this is how we do the project. If you can see on the left hand side, we created the project in past, and we found these issues, and it was this is how we wrote the summary. This is usually the work of the network engineer, and yeah. So let me know if you have any questions, or if you want me to do any other project. We can resolve the issue together. Thank you very much.